What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to our channel. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the post notifications on so you can keep up with the latest of our videos. Second of all, thank you guys for all the love and support that you guys have been showing us lately. We are on the road to 100K subs. I just had a quick light bulb go off in my head. I'm actually on the way to the gym. I'm gonna go pick up Karen and then we're gonna head to the gym. But I thought of this brilliant idea. I'm gonna prank her. Oh, radio's on. I'm gonna prank her really fast since she wanted to pull that hairy armpit prank last video. If you guys haven't watched that, go check that one out. Link to that one is gonna be in the description down below. That one is actually hella funny. It was super gross, not because of the fact that she had the hair under her arm, but because of the fact that she pulled it off. I've seen hair on Karen's body before, even when she got her cast removed. I was just like, that video was just all over the place. But anyway, I came up with this brilliant idea of having a bra in my car. I'm gonna put a bra and maybe a pair of women's panties in the backseat of my car so Karen can find it, and she's gonna be like, whose underwear and bra are these? I'm gonna be like, those are yours. But I'm gonna get the biggest bra and the biggest pair of panties I can find. I'm gonna go to Target right now. I told Karen that I need to go to Target to get some energy drinks. So we're gonna go do that right now. It's gonna be a quick intro. I'm not gonna get too far into this because this is a quick idea. I literally just pulled out the camera. This video was not planned whatsoever. Yeah, let's see how this goes. We're heading to Target right now, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm here at Target right now. I'm actually in the bra and panty section. I kind of look weird being in this section by myself with the camera in my hand, but it's alright. I'm looking for just a huge bra, the big old bra. I don't know what to, I don't really know what to get. Should I get this huge one? That one's like the size of my body. I don't know, I don't think that one would be believable. Oh, perfect one right here. 42 double D, baby. Alright, you guys, so I didn't want to film too much while I was inside Target because I felt super uncomfortable being by myself looking for a bra and underwear. I did not feel comfortable, and there was hella Target employees all around me. I was getting a couple of weird looks filming what I filmed in there in the girls panty and bra section. So yeah, I wasn't about to do all that, so I turned off my camera real quick. I got the bra, I got the underwear, and I tried getting the biggest sizes that I could find because I want to see her reaction. I want to get a funny reaction out of her. I know she's gonna go off. I don't know what she's gonna think. I'm gonna try and tell her that it's her bra and underwear. Karen's a, you know, she's a small girl. She's 5 feet. She does not wear the sizes that I got. It's just gonna be funny. I'm gonna be super funny. I'm gonna get a funny reaction. I know I am. This is the underwear that I got, guys. Oh, there's a car pulling up in front of me. I don't want them to see me pulling panties out of my lap showing a camera. So this is the bra that I got, you guys. Nobody's looking. I found the, oh. You guys, I can't show you right here. Hold on. There's people all around here. I don't feel right. All right, wait. Before we get started with this prank, I do want to let you guys know that we do read all of your prank ideas. I already have some written down in my phone. I have a lot of content written down in my phone that you guys have DM'd us. So if you guys have any prank ideas, content ideas that you guys want us to do, DM us on our Instagrams. It could be either our content page, my page, Karen's page, even our Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok messages we don't really look at that much. So I wouldn't advise messaging us on TikTok. I would advise messaging us on any other platform. But let me show you this bra and underwear real quick since nobody's around right now. This is the bra that I got. It's like the size of my head. I'm gonna try to convince Karen that this is her bra. I gotta take the tag off this thing first. I don't know if I should have taken the tag off. What if what am I gonna do with these after? I can't leave the tags on, but I want to return these. Ah, who cares? Fuck it. And this is the panties that I got. Wait, hold on. Hopefully nobody's watching me. I'm trying to convince Karen that these alright, you guys. So I'm gonna put them back here. And I'm actually put the panties back here too. And I'm gonna put my water bottle right here. So I'm gonna be like, hey babe, can you give me my water bottle real quick? I have it right behind me. She's gonna get it, she's gonna see the brown panties. She's gonna get pissed. I hope I get a funny reaction. That's what I'm hoping for, because I'm gonna try and convince her that these are her bra and panties. Alright guys, we're on the way to go get her. Sorry if you heard wind in the background this entire time. My AC is on. But like I said, this wasn't a fully planned video. I literally just thought of this when I was walking out of the house. But yeah, I think this has been the most uncomfortable prank that I've done so far. You know, buying the things that I need for it wise. People were looking at me like I was a creep. I felt like a creep. I just didn't feel right shopping for women's bra and panties with a camera, you know, filming myself. Shit, that was not right. It was not right. We're pulling up to Karen's house right now and we're gonna get you guys' reaction. I know this is gonna be a great prank. Babe, if you see this is what your ass gets. You shouldn't have put that hair under your arm to get me, even though it was super funny. We're getting your ass back today. Team Maddie on the way, and sorry for the light change, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys, so I'm outside of Karen's house right now. I just texted her telling her I was outside. She should be on her way out. She obviously doesn't know I'm filming today, so when she gets in the car, I'm gonna let her know that I've been vlogging all day, which is a lie. I just started recording. I just don't want her to think anything weird about this, so she won't like be sus on why I'm recording. And obviously the camera's right here, so you can see the camera. I'm nervous as hell. I hope I get a good reaction out of this. So when she gets in the car, I'm just gonna act casual and like talk to you guys and just talk some BS to make it seem like I've been vlogging and telling you guys about my day. And so just play along with me, all right? Oh my gosh, what am I doing, bruh? What am I doing right now? I'm gonna turn you guys off for right now. Once I see her coming to the car, I'm gonna turn you guys back on and pretend like I was already vlogging and talking to you guys. You guys ready for this? Cause I'm not. I'll see you guys right now. All right, yeah, but follow us on social medias, you guys. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and all of the above. Links to all those will be in the description down below.
We're vlogging today?
Yes, ma'am. Gotta get another video up.
Hey y'all, I'm going to the gym.
I told them we're on the way to the gym. I'm actually super tired though. My eyes feel super heavy today.
You got chapstick?
No. Oh, actually I do have chopstick. Why you ask me for chopstick?
Cause you need some, bro. You need some.
What the hell? Ready to go. Damn, it's hot in here. Damn. You gonna do that outside?
Oh, I forgot to drink this.
Karen's been drinking this nasty green water lately, and she left this in my car yesterday. This looks disgusting.
To you.
So you made it in a water bottle and you're putting it in another cup? Oh. Can you give me my water that's in the back actually?
Hold on.
It's like right behind me.
Take close up. This?
Yeah, thank you.
Whose big bra is this?
What do you mean that's not yours?
Whose biggest bra is this?
That's your bra, babe.
Babe. How is this my bra?
Babe, that's your bra.
How is this my bra?
Babe, who else's bra would it be?
Are you stupid or just slow?
What do you mean? That's your bra.
Are you stupid or just slow?
Who else's bra am I gonna have in the car?
Babe, I got titties like that. These are melons. Whose bra is this?
That's your, who else's bra? What? Aren't these yours?
Whose grandma you having back here? Babe! Whose grandma you picking up on the weekend?
This is yours. What do you mean?
This is mine?
Who else's underwear am I gonna have in here? What the
First
heck?
of all, babe.
This is your stuff.
Babe, this says 3X. You must be fucking with me right now. Whose grandma you got back here? Ah, Birdie fit back here. Whose grandma you picking up? Whose grandma are you picking up?
This is your stuff.
Babe, these are melons.
This is yours.
I got kiwis. I got kiwis. Bro, you better be playing with me because...
How are you not mad right now?
Babe, how you want me to be mad? Was I supposed to be jealous? Cause you got, babe. These look like, hold on, I'm touching these like, whose stuff is that? I know you're playing with me. Whose stuff is that? Okay,
Babe.
It's funny. You bought this from somewhere.
No, I did not.
Babe.
I'm putting all this in the video. This is your stuff.
Babe, that's my whole face.
Babe, it was funny at first, but this is your bra. This is your underwear.
Ew, don't throw that. Whose underwear
This
is
is
that? You just put it in
yours.
my face.
Babe, this is your underwear. What are you talking about? This is
Babe,
yours.
when the hell have you seen me wearing underwear this big?
What?
Like, this can be my whole ass headscarf and shit. I can wear it as a shirt. Like, whose is this?
Who else is it gonna be?
You want me to take my underwear off right now and show you my size difference?
Do it. Babe, this is, who else's underwear would I have in here? It's a prank, dummy. You weren't even that mad. Like,
Babe, because...
I'm like upset that you weren't even that
Babe,
mad.
if this was real, then this lady is...
Look how big it looks. Oh man. I was hoping she was gonna get mad, you guys. I'm sorry.
Babe, this is your whole... I'm flattered. I'm fucking flattered that you think my kiwis fit in here. But look at how much air. It's like a bag of chips and no chips. All air and no chips. Where did you buy this from?
At Target.
You went to Target to buy this?
That bra was $22, so somebody gonna wear it.
Babe,
Somebody gonna wear that bra.
babe, you paid for these?
Well, duh, what do you mean?
Security cameras are fake.
You
yeah,
wearing that
this
shit.
bra look high quality. Look, what do you mean I'm wearing this? This don't fit me.
If you ain't wearing it, I'm wearing it, cause I ain't wasting $22.
What are you gonna wear?
I was debating. I was like, damn, I took the tag off because I wanted to return it. But how am I gonna be pranking you with a bra in my car with the tag on it?
Imagine these are. Look.
It looks amazing.
Let me see.
Prank fail, low key. She didn't really get mad as I thought she was. But nonetheless, I think it was a really good prank. Did I get? Babe, what are you doing?
Fits now. Weird. We were
What?
at Target buying bras and underwear.
I felt so creepy vlogging and shopping for bras and underwears by myself.
I was literally like,
I was getting so many weird looks.
you picked out a nice bra. Like, if I would have seen this bra, I would have been like, my self-esteem would have been hurt. Like, damn, he bought like a big titty bitch up in here. And he probably having a great time.
She started
Right?
laughing about it,
Right?
you guys.
But when I seen this, I said, what senora grandma you have in this car? Like,
Alright, you guys, I'll see it
Babe,
for this video.
how would you feel if me and you getting nasty and I'm like taking this quilt? Oh.
I'm putting it over my head and I'm gonna continue doing my business.
Yeah, camera. If he had a girl this size, which I said, there's nothing wrong with you know, you dating. You know, matter of fact, you're not allowed to date. You're only dating me for the rest of your life.
Still got packages back here.
If this was real, I would have just been like, well, I hope you had fun, because this bitch will be my ass. She will be my ass, okay? Because I'm so much smaller than this. Have a great time.
All I'm saying is this combo bra and underwear looks like a dream come true, but that's all I'm gonna say about
You
that.
want me to try it on?
That's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna wrap it up here because we're on the way to the gym. Hope you guys really enjoyed this prank. This prank was funny as hell. Karen thought it was funny and she didn't even know it was a prank.
I was just like, who the hell you picking up back here?
Babe, get the fucking underwear up here. Alright, you guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social medias.
Babe, look how big it fits your face. It fits your...
Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and I always forget one.
Whose titties are this big? Like, you are blessed, girl. You is blessed. What size is this?
Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Hit
You
the post
got a
notification
42
bell.
double D? Ew, why are you making that face?
Alright, we love you guys. Thank you for the love and support you guys have been showing us. Thank you for the views. Don't forget to comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. And you got anything to say?
Yeah.
No, she doesn't. We'll see you guys in the next
What?
video. Bye.